code. You check my here. See, you see that yesterday. Tapos here, scratches. Ayun o, dami-dami. Tapos here, basta super dami guys. And then here. And sa other side, basta ito yung kamay ko, ang dami din. Madami akong scratches ng pusa. Tapos sa back, meron din ng dami. Basta di nyo sila makikita eh. Diba ayun o, yung tulog-tulog lang pa yung walang kasalanan. Super dami. Ewan ko, meron ba dito? Basta yan, oh. Ang dami-dami. Anong perks to subscription? Super dami, guys. Di ba nare-read dyan sa ko? Dapat lagyan ko, sige, later lalagyan ko. Pero, for now, yung nag-subscribe ng Basic at Basic 1, I'll add you to the group chat here in TikTok where nagda-drop ako ng videos at photos, guys. Tapos, pag deluxe, you'll have a one-on-one sub all in love with me here in TikTok. Cause baby, Chinito, no, my account got disabled last April 30. I don't know why. I have so many followers there, but unfortunately they disabled it last April 30, and then last May 1 they disabled my Instagram account too because they two are connected. Ayun. Wala na akong social account. Oh. Wait lang, nagsasalita. Thank you, Chinito. But that's my new main account, guys. The one in my stories here in TikTok. That's my main account. Yung isa na finalo ko, kasi yun eh. Wala lang. Oh my God, thank you. Thank you, Chinito. Ato, we have this one also, Chinito. Aray, ang sakit ng ulo ko. Nagugutom na siguro ako. Holding your hand. Yeah, you have any questions pa? Mag-questions kayo, guys. Question. Ay, wait lang, natatawa ako. Version na kailang boys yan ha. To be honest, I only have one ex and we've been together for 6 years. But yeah, it is what it is. We broke up last 3 years ago. I mean 2 years ago. And yeah, he already have a child, guys, and ay, oh my God, no. Baka stalker kasi yung jowa niya, guys. Ini-stalk ako tapos hinahaha yung mga stories ko. Wala naman akong ginawa. Di naman ako naggulo sa kanila. Pero stalk sila ng stalk sa akin. Tapos hinahaha nila yung stories ko. Kaya ayun, binablock ko. Tapos stalk pa din ng stalk. Nag-message ako sa girl. Pero hindi siya masanda ng message. Kaya sinabi ko kay Tito na pwede i-forward yung chinat ko sa babae. Tapos sabi ni Tito, wag na lang daw sila, wag na lang daw kasi yung babae talaga daw. Basta, chismis. Thank you so much for the bubblegum art Taurus Soto. First BF, first. Uy! Gagi. First, I don't know. 6 years kami nun eh, pero ganun talaga ang buhay. Pag greatest love mo, di kayo magkakatuluyan, sabi nila pag greatest love. Like, diba? You have another comment questions lang kayo ng questions, guys. Mag-ask lang kayo ng mag-ask. Yeah, magandang umaga, guys. You check my stories here. That's my new account. I always do live there every night. Sana nakalimutan ko kasi i-disconnect yung main account ko sa na-disabled na Facebook ko eh. Wala lang. Kala ko di Wala na ako, di na ako nagka-boyfriend after noon. Ba't ba ako magbo-boyfriend?
With YouTube Premium, watch ad-free, offline, and in the background.
Oh my God!
And listen ad-free on the YouTube Music app.
Ay, gagi.
That's right.
Common dining account.
2 apps. Continue watching the highest quality videos from anywhere.